Hi, traders. Good morning and happy new month. Let me know if you can hear me loud and clear. Can you hear me? Good morning, traders. Happy new month. Let me know if you can hear me, please. Let me know if you can hear me, please. All right. Good morning, everyone, and happy new month. Interesting. All right. So you're welcome once again. If you are in the if you are in any of my groups, then you should know that we are up and running now. We're in massive profit, although BTC was kind of, trying to play with us yesterday. That is our first trade. Or should we call it our last trade for September? And it was trying to play with us. Now, do you know what I learned from that trade? Guys, it's very simple. The BTC trade, if you're in the public group, my VIP group, everywhere, because I dropped the signal everywhere. What I learned about that trade is just stick to the extreme levels. I took that trade based on Monday movements. Monday can react off a particular level and just be moving. And now, the the trade did not play out. But now, as we waited for our extreme levels, both on gold and BTC, they are dishing out the massive profit we're looking for. So that is what you need to understand about trading. It's all about patience, guys. It's all about patience. Patience, guys. Patience. Patience. It's very important. So let me quickly share my screen. I have been seeing all the questions. So it's very simple. If you're joining for the first time, I am Happiness Hanson, a seasoned forex trader. And if you've not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe so that you can always get more updates, because I'll be dropping, educational videos soon back to back. So just make sure you subscribe, because the aim is to help all of you, all of us here, to make money together and become profitable. Trading is not easy, but you can make it easy for yourself. That is what I say to myself all the time. So trading is not, what you can just jump in because you see people, pulling out funds out of it, and you think that is how life is. Trading is not like that. Trading is not like that, guys. So let me quickly share my screen. Let me quickly share my screen. Okay, so if you're on the buy or on the two buys we're having, that is for BTC and gold. If you are there, say yes in the comment. If you're on this buy now, say yes. I literally left this thing and I went to sleep because, when you are, let me not say when you are so sure of your setup, but the extreme levels will always play out, So it's all about being very patient, very, very patient. You know, if we didn't take our trades from that, yes, stop loss is actually, part of trading. Please, guys, it's looking as if my network is kind of glitching. Let me know if you can also hear me. Let me know if you can hear me, please. Let me know if you can hear me clearly. So also I'm in full margin. That simply means your account must have, it should be times 3 of your account now, because this trade is almost, at 200 pips. Please let me know if you can hear me. Please, if you cannot hear me, just I can switch to another network, because it's looking as if this one is trying to mess up. Okay. Okay, so you can hear me. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. So I can see you all. You are currently on this, but I shared this signal yesterday everywhere, both in the public group, private group, everywhere for us to trade. So This is for you too. Someone said I'm still wait. I was still waiting for confirmation. I didn't ask you to wait for confirmation. The only thread I shared yesterday, and I asked you guys to wait for confirmation, is actually GBP JPY. GBP JPY. Because the buy momentum, we were trying to like catch a sell retracement, and the buy momentum that it used to enter the level, there was no confirmation. So if you entered that trade, you shouldn't have, because I didn't ask anyone to enter. I just shared the setup and I said, don't take an aggressive entry. Let's see how market will react. And the market just came there. So you shouldn't have entered that trade if you know. Then for gold, I did not say wait for confirmation because it's for our aggressive entry. Same thing with BTC. After BTC stopped us out yesterday from this level, let's go to BTC. So we also up and running on BTC. So after BTC stopped us out here, let me be looking at the comments. I was saying GJ what Kiwi yesterday. I did not actually ask anyone to enter GG. So this was now I was trying to take we were trying to like take a buy from this level yesterday. That's because sometimes BTC will kind of react to the nearest key level on Monday and move. But yesterday it said no, that your analysis is not my business. I am going to hit your SL. And it went straight to our SL. And I notified everyone to wait for this extreme level. Let's wait for price to actually get into our level. And you can see how it reacted. It's all about patience, guys. It's all about patience. A lot of traders were sending me setup, trying to enter here. When it was reacting off this level, they were more like, oh, it's moving, it's going. I said, no, be patient. Allow the trade to tap into your origin. So guys, you just really need to learn, learn to be patient. That was just what I got. I was kind of, why did I even take this buy on BTC? Why? But I think my account is back now, and we are even in more profit because I'm holding the two trades. So guys, that is just it. You can see even me, sometimes we do mistakes to do that. So that's just all you need to understand, that trading is not, it's not like, you cannot be right all the time. Are you getting the point? So it's just all about you managing your risk well. Managing your risk well. You cannot be right all the time. So this live section today is centered on you waiting for your extreme levels. It's very important. This is what I call A plus setups. Wait for your extreme levels. All the premature entries, stay away from them. Because, looking back, because this morning I was just looking at my September trade history and the rest. Most of my stop losses were just when I was taking trades from premature entries. And there are sometimes you will just get pressured into, when you wait for settles, and you will not see anything, then you will not see one premature entry. You would want to enter. It's part of it. Guys, so it's just all about learning how to stay away from all those things. Just be patient. I know we are all human beings. There are times you will need money and you just want to like go into the market and bring it out. The market will not take the one you have. So that's why it's important for you to like, you know, trade from your extreme levels. Be patient, guys. Be patient. You know, all this is now. It's actually coming out from me journaling. Looking at my September results, because that is what I actually do. Look back at the results. Yeah, I'm up a little bit in profit. September is just up in profit, not too much. Well, this is a new month, guys. A new month, new goals, guys. So this is a new month. If there is any mistake you've made past months, forget about it. Forget about it. If the market has, given you bad moves, different ways, the market has dealt with you last month, forget about it. And organize yourself, restructure yourself, and come back to the market, sticking to the strategy. If you are if you have lost your confidence, if you are still, if you're wondering, oh, am I actually getting this right? What am I actually doing? Then all you just need to do is you can take the first week of this month to like back test to get back your confidence, because that is what I always say. When you hit losses back to back, now this is what happens in trading. If you make profits back to back, back to back, back to back, someone is asking, can we still enter the trade now? That is what I'm talking about. No, wait, calm down. Don't enter now. Okay, before I continue saying what I was saying, look at BTC now. If you're not in, you entering now it can be very detrimental because it can drop and get here. Look at where it is reacting to. This is a key level. This is a key level. And that is where it is reacting to. And this level can drop BTC. But if you're holding BTC, remember the pips are not like currency pairs. This is close to like this is 100 pips and running. So try and break even or book some profit. 100 pips no be beans. So you don't know what 100 pips. 100 pips can change your life. 100 pips can pass your account. So don't play with 100 pips when you get that. Although we are targeting up to 341 pips because BTC can obviously deliver that. We've gotten more than that before, guys. But at the end of the day, also manage your trades well. Don't allow these profits to retrace all the way, back down to losses. So now, as price is reacting here, what am I expecting? This may drop BTC a little bit, maybe to this level, maybe to this level. Or if it breaks, then there will be a change of character here. There will be a change of character here, then a retracement. That is now when you can join if you are not in. If you are not in. So just calm down, don't go in now. Then for gold, I think same thing with gold. We're gone already on gold. And if you try to get in here now, why I'm saying you shouldn't get in now is because if you get in here now, I don't know where your stop loss is going to be. I don't know where your stop loss is going to be. And gold is very volatile because I'm not going to tell you to put your stop loss here. I don't really know where your stop loss is going to be. So that's what I check, when you are entering. So unless you just want to jump in, which I don't advise. So don't try to jump in. Don't try it. Now, this is what you need to understand. If you missed the trade, just calm down. Calm down. I know we are all human beings. We have a lot going on. We have a lot going on. And some people that promised us that we should fear their return this December, they must have been taking aggressive entries everywhere, here and there, in the market. So calm down. I know December is, very near, and you are trying to go and buy. What do you want to go and buy? GLE or B house. What are you trying to buy? You just need to calm down and wait for the market to give you that opportunity. So don't jump in yet. Don't jump in yet. Calm down, guys. Calm down. Okay. Oh, someone said Lamborghini. Interesting. Interesting. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Just calm down. That trade will show up. That trade will show up. Just calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Okay, guys. If you're, I think for gold traders, we're already in profit if you are here. So I wouldn't want to like start analyzing gold. You guys have a lot to buy. BMW. I want to buy BTC. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. So, um, guys, if you're just joining for the first time, feel free to drop your questions. I always look at the comments to like answer your questions. So, and if you're just joining, we trade live here. So once we see our setup, we are in. We're already in profit for those that are buying gold and BTC with me. We're already in profit. Well, I'm going to go ahead and analyze other pair, and then see if we can also get something out there. If you are holding gold and BTC, try and book partials. Try and book partials. Then lock up the other one. Put it on break even. This is close to 170 pips on gold. It's a good profit, massive one. So try and book partials and lock up the other one, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna look at the comments. What should I analyze? Let's look at GBP USD. Then after that, we'll look at US 13 as 100 because that is what I can see in the comment. So if there's any pair you want me to analyze, you can start dropping them. But we're gonna start by looking at GBP USD. Let's look at GBP USD. Okay, so looking at GBP USD, guys, you know the drill. If you are also joining for the first time, what the number of my strategy is smart money concept. That is what I trade. So it's simple. Using this illustration, this is what we wait for. If you are looking out for a buy, the first thing you need to do is read the market structure. Read the market structure. Now, if the market is breaking structure to the upside, then you know that we are bullish. All you just need to do is to start looking for how to buy. Once you point out the most recent break of structure, you map out the origin that caused the break of structure, then wait for price to get there. As you're waiting for price to get there, look out for other confirmations that will make your origin valid, which is your FVG and your liquidity. Once you get that, we push to the upside. The same thing is applicable to when you are looking for a sell. I know most people may ask, I'm always using buy example. Whenever I'm doing an illustration, I'm always, trying to I always start from the buy. That's because for like 3 months, I've just been buying. The three currencies I trade, like I love trading, my favorite gold, BTC, and GJ. I've just been buying. It has been buy, buy, buy. If you check my trade history, buy, buy, buy. So, but sometimes sell will come in. Okay, now that we are looking at GBP USD, it's obvious that we are bullish, guys. Why are we bullish? Starting from here, let's read the market structure. We have this break of structure here to the upside. So you type it break of structure. We have this break of structure here to the upside. So let's clone another break to the upside. So what I'm literally doing now, I'm reading the market structure, guys. We're reading the market structure. We have this break and price has mitigated the origin that caused the break of structure. Then we have a new break of structure here to the upside. Price didn't come back to the origin. Price didn't come back to the origin. Then we have another break here to the upside. So this being the most recent break, if you take entries from the daily time frame, then you should be waiting for rates here. I know you are looking at this level, but let's go down to 4 hours to know if that level is actually what we should consider. Okay, so we are looking at the 4 hours now. We're going to refine to 4 hours order block, which is actually this level, which is actually this level. So refine to 4 hours. Now, if you check from this origin, we were also getting, we have reading the structure here. If you read the structure here, this is from 4 hours, this is kind of the extreme level. So we're just going to leave that pending. Let's read the structure that we have here. So the inner structures we have here, we got this break of structure to the upside. BOX. We have this break of structure here. Another break, which is indicating, bullish momentum. We have another break here, another break, and this one, this being the last break of structure here, and price coming into the origin. So you can see what is happening. We have this extreme level here. We wait for it from 4 hours. Now from the structure we have here, this is the most recent break of structure. And what has price done? Price has tapped into that particular origin and it has dished out the buy. But now it did not give us a new break of structure to the upside. We don't have a new break of structure to the upside. Remember I said every origin has its mission. So if the market is bullish and market taps into a demand zone, the mission for that demand zone is to go and give us a new break of structure to indicate that we should still be buying. But now we have an equal high, looking at it from 2 hours. So price did not tap into 2 hours order block, which is this one here. So this reaction was actually from 4 hours order block. This is 2 hours order block. But it mitigated the origin generally. But looking at the order block, it didn't happen. So from 1 hour, what do we have? Something is applicable to that of 1 hour. Price did not mitigate the origin, the 1 hour origin. So you extend. And then from 30 minutes, what do we have? So same thing is applicable from 30 minutes. This is actually the demand zone we should be waiting for. All the way down to our entry time frame, which is 15 minutes. So from 15 minutes, this is the demand zone we are waiting for. So this drop, we're expecting price to get here for us to look for a buy on GBP USD. But now as price is trying to come down there, we're going to read the 15-minute structure to know if we can catch this correctional movement while this level is pending. So let's understand what is going on here, because price is giving a correctional movement. It is selling to pushing down. We have a bearish momentum here. So it all started from here, getting this break here, this internal break, because price getting here, it gave us equal high, but we actually have an internal break here. No, I was trying to write my BOS. Okay, we actually have an internal break here, which is BOS, and price came down to mitigate it, and from there we got another break. They are all internal structures. From there we got another break. Price came down again to mitigate, following the origin, and from there we have another break of structure here. Another break of structure here. So this being the origin, this particular candle, this being the origin, price didn't get in there, but it reacted off imbalance. So if you take entries from imbalance, then this should be your trade, FVG. So price reacted off imbalance, and then that is how we are getting this massive drop. And now from that drop, we have a new break of structure. From that drop, we have a new break of structure. So which origin should we be waiting for? We'll wait for it here, guys. Just like this. So just in case price is trying to come up again, we can drop GBP USD from here. Now, there's no reason for us to buy here as price is trying to retrace. So we're following both the trend. So this is the setup I have on GBP USD, this particular key level here. So we can take a sell if price gets to this level. So GBP USD is not giving us an instant execution, but a pending order. Not an instant execution, but a pending order. So I'm just going to like approximate everything. Let's leave the stop loss level at 20 pips. Take profit will be at the point of reversal, although we're not fully sure if the market is going to reverse from here, but it's reacting. So let's see if it will push up. So that is what we have. What do we have on GU? We have this extreme level here. We're waiting for price to drop to this level. Well, as we're waiting for price to drop to that level, we also have this supply zone. If price get here, we can be looking to sell. So the GBP USD traders, do you have something with me, or do you have any question? If you have any question concerning the setup, you can drop in the comment, or if you have something with me, you can just say yes. So this trade is just going to be 1:2 because we'll be risking 20 pips to catch 45 pips if price should get here. So do you have some setup with me, GBP USD traders? Okay, so I'm going to be dropping the coordinates. I'm going to be dropping the coordinates. So that's what we have. It's going to be a sell limit. Sell limit on GBP USD. Sell limit on GBP USD. Entry price, I'll write that out as EP. Entry price is at 133,729. So that will be the entry price. Then stop loss, which is SL. Stop loss will be, that is 20 pips, is at 1.33929. Then take profit. Let's drop that here. Take profit TP. So someone can also help me in dropping that in the comments. Take profit 1.33276. So guys, apply proper risk management. That is what we are looking out for. That is more like the closest to the market structure as we are waiting for the sell here, the buy here. We're waiting for market to come down to this our extreme level, then we'll buy. But as we're waiting for that, we also have this sell look at, and this is the coordinates. So you can quickly take a screenshot because I would want to analyze other pairs. So we're going to look at US 30 now. We're going to look at US 30. What do we have there? So I'm trying to like touch both those that are trading currency pairs and those are trading indices. So let's look at US 30, guys. Okay, someone is asking a question. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. I will go through for questions. I think now we just need to like analyze the chart so that we won't miss our entries. I will go through all the questions. So looking at US 30, we're going to start our analysis from here. Okay, we're going to start our analysis from here to where the market structure is. So it's very simple. If you're wondering how I handle my time frames, listen to it clearly. Now, someone is asking, can this strategy be traded on volatility? I have mentees trading with it. It works everywhere. It works everywhere. Just apply it correctly. Do your back testing and you'll see how it plays out. It works everywhere, guys. Okay, so I was trying to explain time frames. which I also have a video explaining multi time frames, how I apply my multi time frame. But if you've been joining this section, then it should not be difficult for you, because the first thing I do is I'll go to the daily time frame to read the market structure. We'll go to the daily time frame to read the market structure. So in here we have a break of structure here now. Now the reason why we're reading the break of structure is to know the direction of the market. Is to know the direction of the market. We have this break of structure. We are analyzing US 30 for US 30 traders. We have this break of structure, and price has tapped into the origin that caused this break of structure to dish out a new break of structure. To dish out a new break of structure, and price has tapped into the origin too to dish out another break of structure here. To dish out another break of structure here. And you can see market didn't come back to the origin that caused this break of structure, but we have another break of structure here. We have another break of structure here. And this will now be the origin, judging from the daily time frame. Judging from the daily time frame structure. Now we're going to go to 4 hours. So from 4 hours, we've pointed out that the market is actually bullish from the daily time frame. From 4 hours, we're going to start our refinement. And now refining this to 4-hour order block is going to be this particular order block here. The black candlestick, this one here. Wait for it. But now, as we've refined this, we're also going to read this structure, this 4-hour movement, this structure here, to understand what is going on there. So viewing it and moving on, guys. We have a break, internal break of structure here. We have internal break of structure here. Clone. All these are all tiny break of structures, but we also have this break of structure here. We have this break of structure here. Price tapped into the origin around this level, dished out a buy. We have another break of structure here. We have another break of structure here. Price is not back into the origin yet, which is this level. So we're just going to map this out. This will be the origin. We also have this one pending, so this is going to be pending. So price is not back to this origin. Then do we have another break of structure to the upside? Yes, we do. We have this break of structure. So it was just kind of, let me remove that, because the break generally from here, price reacting up. So all these things, I think they're just liquidity going on. Let's go to 2 hours to view clearly. So from 2 hours, these unmitigated order block, you refine it to 2 hours order block, which is this level. And then you can see the most recent break of structure. It's kind of clearer here. When we got this break of structure, and then we have this particular origin. Price has mitigated the origin and it has dished out a reasonable amount of buy, but we don't have a new break of structure, so it's looking as if it's going to break. So if we are waiting for anything on US 30, guys, we're going to wait for it here. We're going to wait for it here. Then viewing from our extreme level from the daily time frame, we also have it here. We also have this daily time frame POI here. So whenever price gets there, we are going to buy too. But looking at the most recent structures, this is what we have. This is what we have. So currently, what is going on here is going to be our liquidity. So everything going on here, it's liquidity. So this is kind of, you know, key level liquidity. You can see price has tapped in support level. So everything here, we'll be expecting market to clean what we have here to like tap into this particular region. So let's view from 1 hour and do our refinement. So it's still something. 1 hour aligning with that of 2 hour structure. So that's what we're going to wait for. 30 minutes. 30 minutes aligning to, and then 15 minutes. What do we have? Okay, it's aligning, guys. So if you are doing anything, let's go back to 1 hour so that you'll see that clearly. If you are doing anything on US30, you just need to like wait for it to get here. You need to wait for it to get here. Be patient, guys. This is the only level that will have reasons to like, take actions on US30. So this is what we have on US30. I'll be sharing the setup to the group. So let me quickly write that out and drop the coordinates. So the stop loss, remember US30 is also volatile. So the stop loss is going to be around 150 pips, guys. It's going to be around 150 pips, and take profit will be targeting around this level, which is close to, that is actually 1000 pips here. So this is the setup I have on US30, guys. So we're going to patiently wait for it. Someone is asking, why are you not narrowing it down to 15 minutes? I just did. We're looking at it from 1 hour because it's more, precise here. It's more like summarized. If we go to 15 minutes, I will have to like start zooming. This is 15 minutes and we went there and it's aligning. If we go to 15 minutes, the candlesticks were kind of, it's kind of tiny because I'll have to like zoom out, but it is aligning. Let's go to, let me zoom into the origin so that you know why I said it's aligning. So this is it here, refining it to 15 minutes. It's aligning with what we have from 1 hour. So looking at it from 1 hour, it summarized the chart so that you can get the coordinates and the rest. All right. So this is what we have on US30. US30 traders do have same setup with me. You just need to be patient, guys. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient, guys. So let me quickly share the coordinates. It's going to be a buy limit on US30. It's going to be a buy limit. Buy limit on US30. Where are the US30 traders? Indicate in the comments. Indicate in the comments. US30 traders, indicate in the comment. I want to see you guys. If you trade US30, indicate. Buy limit on US30. Entry price. If you trade US30, indicate in the comments. Where are you guys? Entry price is 41545. So we're gonna leave it there. Then SL is 41385. 41385. Then take profit is I'll get that out. Take profit will be 4 to 620. 4 to 620. All right, so this is the setup for US 30 traders. This is the setup we are waiting for. Be patient. Be patient, guys. From the current market structure, that is what we actually have now. Be patient for US 30 traders. Okay? Okay. Then let's look at GJ, our friend. Let's look at GJ. So, guys, you can see what GJ is just doing. You know, we have this our origin here. You can see my pending demand zone, and GJ just came, reacted off imbalance. So this trade was actually for the imbalance traders, FVG, those that take entries from FVG. So they were able to like catch this massive push. And now what is GJ trying to do? It has also tapped into an imbalance because this massive movement caused an imbalance. You can see this is the imbalance. So it has tapped into an imbalance and is trying to like retrace. So the question now is, as price has not mitigated this origin, is this origin still valid? Yes, guys, it's still valid. We'll wait for price to get there. Unless it wants to keep pushing up, but if we should get, a retracement into this level, it is still valid for us. So I already have my setups on GJ. So this is it. This is how we've been catching it. And I was actually waiting for price here this Monday. This was the level we were trying to like see if we can catch a correctional movement yesterday. And I told you guys to like stay out considering how price was kind of pushing in. So we are bullish on GJ. Now the question is price going to come down here? Is price going to come down here, or should we read the structure? Now reading the structure, the inner structures, this has given us, we call this a change of character. This has given us a change of character. So if we want to take, I don't know, guys. Don't try to come and start forcing out anything. I'm not seeing anything there. At least from my own end, I know when I'm trying to force out entries, and once I notice that, I stay out. Don't take entries from premature, you know, stuff, guys. Don't take entries like that. So let's stay away, guys. Let's see if price is getting into this level or if he wants to give us a new structure, because catching this movement, all these things, they are not, strong levels. So I wouldn't want to like consider them. So let's just wait. Even if I'm trying to consider any of these levels, it's going to be here. It's going to be here. So, and if price should get here, I'll be expecting it to come and tap in here. So, guys, let's wait. This setup, you can see, like I have mapped out on GJ. That is what I'm actually waiting for. It was looking as if I've missed it because this buy momentum, this is actually massive. This goes to 300 and something pips, guys. And price just missed my entry like that and pushed. But let's see if it will come. This is what we have on GG, nothing else. I'm not trying to catch any of these things. I'm not trying to catch. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. All these things now this may be, kind of a scalp. That is where price is reacting to a scalp. It may tap in here and keep pushing. For those that are still holding, this is an opportunity for you to like add more positions. This is an opportunity for you to add more positions and break even. So it's just going to be like this. So if we are trying to like join this buy now, it can be this trade. We'll be risking 43 pips to catch 154. 154, 43 pips. This one is an instant execution, guys. 43 pips to catch 154. But this will be trade for those that are already holding this buy. For me, no. I don't have reasons to like, risk this trade now. So if you're not in on GJ, just don't bother placing this buy. I'm just like calling those that are already holding this buy that this is an opportunity for you to like stack, add more positions. But for me, I will just be observing. I'm already holding my BTC and gold, so let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's see. Let's see, guys. So that is it on GJ. We're just going to leave everything there pending. Someone said very risky. Don't worry, guys. We're not getting it. I've removed the position too. We're not getting it on this buy. Let's stay away. Let's allow those that that joined earlier. Let them enjoy the ride. So let's observe. There's nothing on GJ, but we have this level here. We have this level. So that's what we'll be waiting for on GJ. So if price is approaching the level, I may call out the coordinates. So guys, I see all your questions in the comments. Once it is 9:50, I will start answering the questions in the comment. Okay. I can see USD card. So let's look at USD card. Also, please analyze USD card. Okay, I guess I'm analyzing one of your pair. So I'm analyzing that now. Okay, USD card. We're looking at it from the daily time frame now. What do we have? USD card and its structures. Sometimes you will just be wondering what is going on. So let's get to like read the market structure on USD card. So we have this break of structure here. We have this break of structure here. After price, this was kind of a range. Generally, from the daily time frame, I think we even have a range going on. We have a range going on USD card. So guys, from the daily time frame, you can see price pushing. This is actually a range. That's why we have choppy movements, guys, on the USD card. Inside the range, we have this break of structure. So if I'm looking to do anything now from this particular pair, we'll have to wait for a drop here, because this will be more ideal, because everything here, where price is currently reacting to, everything inside here, these things are liquidity. We have a lot of liquidity sitting here, which is where price is reacting from. So let's view from 4 hours, but from the daily time frame, we don't have any direction yet. Price is, ranging. Okay, the market is ranging. Then from 4-hour structure, we're going to just read what is going on here. This structure that we have here, that's what we're going to read to know the next line of action. Looking at the most recent structure, let's start reading from here. We have a break of structure, and market has mitigated the origin, which is this level that has dished out a new break of structure. We have a new break of structure here. Now the question is, where is the origin that actually caused this break of structure? So the origin that caused this break of structure, we can be waiting for it here. So a push to this level, this key level is from 4 hours. So we're gonna start refining if we go down to other time frame. So this key level is from 4 hours. We're gonna wait. Although you can see price has already mitigated it. But let's view from 2 hours. Okay, from 2 hours, this will now be the key level. There's the order block, and it was able to like clear liquidity above. And we also have this liquidity. It will have to like sweep to tap in. So we'll be looking out for a sell on the USD card once price gets into this level. Let's view from 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour, the order block aligning. The other block from 1 hour is actually this one here. The other block from 1 hour is this one here. So moving on to 30 minutes. It's still aligning. 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes is still aligning. So guys, we have this supply zone to wait for price to get to it. You can see we're already getting the correctional movement. This supply zone, we should be expecting a sell on USD card once price gets into this level. And now currently, from the correctional movement, we have, I'm just going to start from here, break of structure. This one, price tapped into the, so the what we have now is actually more like a correctional movement. So we're just going to wait until we get here, guys. So that's the setup I have on USD card. So I'll also drop the coordinates. For USD card, I'll drop the coordinates. So USD card traders patiently wait for market to get to this origin. And then we can bring it down. This is the setup I have on USD card. This is what I will wait for on USD card. So is there anyone with same setup with me? Anyone with same setup on USD card? So I'm going to write out the coordinates. Sell limit on USD card. Sell limit on USD card. EP, that is the entry price, is 1.36296. 1.36296, that is the entry price. Stop loss it's around 1.36561. 1.36561. Then take profit is around TP 1.34188. So that's the setup we have on USD card. That's the setup we have on USD card. So I'm going to be looking at the comments now to like answer some questions. So if I've not analyzed your pair, this section is meant to be for 1 hour. So if I've not analyzed your pair, I'm going to be dropping a link in the comments. Do your own analysis. Do your own analysis and send in. I will look at it. If it's correct, I will tell you to like set your pending order. If it's not what I'll be looking to trade, I'll also give you my reasons. So the link is in the comments, guys. So from the link, you can also join my public group, that is my public Telegram group, where I'll be dropping these coordinates too and signals. If you're there, at least you would have been catching gold and BTC now. And if you also want to join my VIP group, that is my mentorship group, for a closer guide, a closer watch, and the rest. So where you can always get access to me to like ask questions. After this section, so I'm going to have like a private section with my VIP members because there are some things I want to like handle there. I want to talk to them on psychology. So that's what we're gonna have after this section. I will go there. They have my time. So I want us to discuss. Let's talk about how to, get a strong mindset when trading. Because most people were complaining, different things that they are going through. So we're gonna like have one-on-one section. After this particular live section, now we'll go there. So if you want to also join us there, it's very simple. You can visit the website and pick any package of your choice. I only have 3 packages. I have the monthly package, which will just cost you $50, and I have the yearly package, $200, and the lifetime, $500 if you want to join the VIP group. So the link is dropping again. The link is dropping again. So click there, you can have access to everything. Number one, you can do your analysis. You can message me with your own analysis. I will look at it. If it's a trade I can take, I'll tell you, go ahead. I see same. If it's not what I can take, I'll also give you my reasons. And if you want to join the public group, it's also there, Telegram group. Oh, someone said, "Well, you don't reply us." So sorry, so sorry. I will reply you this time. There are a lot of messages, so but I know that out of all the messages I reply 80%. So maybe you must have entered the 20% that, or all the messages I try my best to reply. So sorry if I've not replied you for a while. Maybe you can go ahead and message now so that your message will be on top. All right, so I'll be looking at the comments now to answer a few questions before I'll go ahead and end today's section. All right. So if you dropped your question earlier, you can bring it up again so that I can see it. Because trying to like go back, so it's very simple. If you have any question, you can start dropping them now. If you've dropped before, just copy it and paste it again. Copy it and paste it again so that it will be recent. I'll be looking at it now. Okay. Someone said, please, how do you identify? Oh, a lot. Please, I want to get that message. Please, how do you identify and read pips with that ruler tool? Okay. I guess this question is from a beginner, I guess. So it's very simple. If you pick the ruler tool, so let's say you want to calculate the number of pips market has pushed, and once you place it, you can see here it's stating minus 85. So that simply means market dropped around 85 pips. If you want to, check out that of when the market is pushing up. Just pay attention to the numbers here. This one now is 67 pips. And here it will also show you how many candlesticks, 25 bars, 1 day, like how long it took and the rest. So just pay attention to the number here. So I believe I've answered your question. So what is the next question? Someone said, do you take trade if your POI is like triggers at midnight? Of course, once I put my pending order, I will leave it there. Unless I look at the chart, then I'll see reasons um, to close my pending order. But once I have a setup, my pending order is there. So whenever price gets there, it will trigger. Unless I see reasons to close the pending order. But once I see my setup, my pending order is there. So whether it triggers the midnight, yeah, morning, afternoon, let it ride. So obviously, with this strategy, you don't have to be glued to your screen. Just come set your traps, you know, just like we did our analysis on few pairs this morning. You set your traps and find other things to do. You must not stay glued to the charts. And then if the market gets to your POI, if it's moving to your direction, straight to your take profit. If it's moving against you, straight to your stop loss and you chest the loss. You swallow it and say, market, nice one today. I will catch you. Then you look for another. It's just that simple. That is trading. Enjoy it. Enjoy what you're doing. Don't be the type you will rejoice when you're making profit. Then when you make losses, it will look as if it's over for you. You don't need to feel that way. You just need to be ready for everything, guys. Just need to be ready for everything. Get the mind though, because you must, SL must come. And there are times it will come back to back, back to back, back to back, back to back, back to back. Do you know what you do when it's coming like that? Just withdraw. Withdraw. Stay away from your life account. You send your back, you send yourself back to demo. You back test. You refresh your memory, get to understand your strategy again, then you come back. Because when you are, I was trying to say something before, when you are winning a lot, your confidence will increase. And if it gets to the level of overconfidence, it's also a problem in trading. When you are losing a lot, your confidence will reduce. And it's also a problem in trading. So, what that means is that you just need to learn how to balance it as a trader. Don't allow the other one to. Now, when you're winning a lot and your confidence is too much in the market, you need to calm yourself down, because then you will be feeling like the market mover. You own the chart. Whatever you tell the chart to do, that's what the chart will do. And that is the period market will humble you. So when you're winning a lot, yes, enjoy your profit. You can go and enjoy your profits, give yourself a little treat, and come back. Some people, they don't even know when to take a break from trading. Try and be enjoying your profits sometimes. So if you flip your account or you grow your account, you make reasonable profit, you withdraw, use it and get something reasonable, like something you like. Are you getting the point? Or you treat yourself, take yourself out and use it and tell yourself, okay, this trading is actually paying because this is the life I'm giving to myself. At least this profit, I use it to eat this thing. I use it to buy this thing. Then you will get, you know, you will refresh and come back again to the chat. But some people, they are making profit. They don't know when to stay out. They don't know when to withdraw. You don't even know what you're looking out for. You don't know if the amount you have, you're okay with it. You want another one. Market will take it. And just balance it. Organize it, guys. Are you getting the point? Organize it. Okay. Someone said, can you share your setup settings? I don't know the setup you're talking about. Please let me know. I don't know the setup you're talking about. So then from Leonard, do one setup, one section, one pair work? Yes, it can work. Just practice and see your win rates. If you want to stick to I mean, maybe the one setup you're talking about is one strategy. Yes. If you want to stick to one strategy, it can obviously, what other strategy am I trading with? Every time I am going live here, I'm literally, doing, repeating same process, sticking to my strategy. So what other strategy are you looking for? So one strategy, then if you want to be trading one section, it can also work. But there are pairs that work with different sections. So it's just like GU, EU, USD card there, and the rest. So if you want to be trading GU, then that simply means you need to stick to London section. Then after that, you can go and take a rest. Yes, there are some people that just prefer trading New York section. They will come look for their entries and the rest. It's all personal decision for you, but it can work. It can work. Then another question. Okay, you missed entry on gold. How can you enter the trade? Calm down. I thought I've explained that. You just need to calm down. If you've missed it, you wait for another opportunity. Or if I see reasons for anyone to get in, I'll still inform the group. But for now, calm down. Relax. Okay, we have here. Do you make use of time section, and which section is best for trading, most especially BTC? Okay, I think BTC moves all the time. BTC market doesn't close like that of currency pair. So London section BTC is moving, New York section BTC is moving, Asian section BTC is moving, weekend BTC is moving, just like volatility index, boom and crash, all those synthetics. So you can trade BTC at any time frame. Just map out your setup and wait for price to get in. Wait for price to get in. Okay, what other question do we have here? Okay, let me go down to the most recent question. Okay, from Victor, I said, I have issues with pending order. After setting my pending order, it will not get extra there before going. Okay, sometimes it's, can happen. There are times price, you will set your pending order and price will miss it. It's just one pip and leave you and go. So it's very simple. If you set your pending order and, price is kind of, if you set pending order and price is kind of reacting to your origin and you're very close to your phone, or price is getting closer to your origin and it's kind of few pips away to your origin, maybe two, three, four, and you see that it's trying to like take off, you can go ahead and place it manually. But pending order works more for those that don't have time to stay glued to their charts. They just want to place their trades and find other things to do. So obviously there are times it will still trigger, because most of my trades, they are mainly pending orders. I can place my pending orders and go and do what I want to do for the day. Then I can even forget that I have trades running. And then when I open it, whatever it has dished out, if it dishes out profits, the feeling is like, interesting. Then when you hit SL, you do as if nothing has happened. You move. We move. So the difference between advanced SMC and normal SMC. SMC is SMC, guys. I don't know. I don't know what you mean by normal and advanced. Um, please, what do we do during news section? Okay. Um, when news is coming out, it's very simple. If you already have a trade running when news is coming out, all you just need to do, you can either close your trade if it's in profit, or you break even. If it's in loss, you can also close it or you allow it to run. It's just that simple. Then if you don't trade news at all, just close all your um, trades when a high impact news is coming out. Then when a high impact news is coming out, you close all your trades. Then if you want to catch the new spikes, there's a way we do it. You can either do your analysis and work with what the chart is telling you. Do your analysis and let the fundamentals align with that of your, let the fundamentals align with that of your technicals. Just work with what you see on the chart. Or you can work, most traders can call this, they can call it gambling, but That's also how to catch the new spikes. Or you can work with your buy stop and sell stop. So if the news comes out, pushing up, it will trigger your buy stop. If it comes out pushing down, it will trigger your sell stop. So, and now during that period, it now depends on the broker you work with, because there are some brokers that will not trigger your entry. So if you check the description, I have my broker stated there. I trade with Octa. So, and if you ask me for any broker, that is what I would recommend, because I've been trading, literally 4 years plus now, getting to 5 years, and it has just been Octa that I've been trading with for my personal account, Octa. So the link is in the description. And you can use my promo code to also double your deposits if you're thinking that you have a little capital. So with my promo code, if you're trading with $100, with my promo code, once you deposit, it will turn to $200, which will now give you more capital to like make good profit. So it will double your deposit times two. With my promo code happiness, capital letter happiness, capital letter happiness. So you can go ahead and create your account. Then I'll take a few more questions and that will be all. So someone is asking, must you have an entry before entering a trade? So how do you now want to enter? Must you have an entry before entering a trade? So if you don't have an entry, how do you want to enter? Because the question is kind of, you must have you must have an entry point now. You must have reasons to enter before. Just the answer is yes, you must. There should be an entry point. You cannot just jump in. There should be an entry point, please. You must have, you cannot just, even if you're trying to jump in, even if you're trying to jump in, from where you are jumping in from, there is still an entry point there. So there must be, someone said you shout and we're choosing. Oh, God. Oh, interesting. So, my dear, there must be an entry before you take any trade. So, entry price simply means where the market price is at before executed your trade. So sometimes when you see us, if you're taking an instant execution, you are working with where the market price is. Just like as we're looking at USD card, as it is pushing up, you can see where the market price is. If you want to enter there, that is where your entry price will be. Now we're waiting for a sell, and you can see where our entry price is at. So that is why it is pending. Okay, he said, I mean confirmation entry. Okay, he has corrected himself. Confirmation entry. Okay, I've explained this. After this class, you can also go ahead and watch my video on entry strategy. That will help you a lot so that you know when I take confirmation entry and when I take aggressive entry. So if my setup, if my POI is from my entry time frame, which is 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour, I take an aggressive entry. It's just like we're waiting for USD card. So, but I can consider taking confirmation if the market is coming in aggressively. News movements, if the market is coming aggressively, then I can consider taking confirmation entry. But if the market is moving normally and coming to my origin and the POI is from my lower time frame, I am taking an aggressive entry. Aggressively, no time to check time. I'm taking aggressive entry. Okay, then for confirmation entry, if my POI is from the higher time frame, market taps in, I'll go down to my entry time frame, wait for change of character before I enter. So that is just in. So from Victor, please, how many days in a week do you do life analysis? Okay, I guess you're just joining for the first time, but we go live here every Tuesday, 9 a.m. West African timing. Every Tuesday. Every Tuesday we go live here. We trade live here. We trade life, we gist, we'll make money together. If the market wants to beat us, we'll lose together. So it's just one family making money together. So that's why it's important for you to like join with your life account. Don't come here and be looking at us or watching. You should also be trading. If you are trading with me, if you're following me, you don't need to be scared. It's not even about following me or the rest. If you want to be a trader, you don't need to be scared at all. Just make sure that you understand the strategy you are trading with and stick to that. Then allow the market to play out. Someone was asking me today, if I go live, I will just blow up my account. But if I go on demo, my account will be growing. Why? That is because the emotions you're using to trade your demo, when you come live, it will change. Now, demo, you don't have any pressure. So that is actually what you need to learn. Demo, you don't have any pressure at all because you know it's not your money and you feel like anything that wants to happen there should happen. But I want you to know that that feeling you use to trade demo, that's actually how to trade your life account too. So I know that life account, tends to like trigger your emotions because that one is real money. But if your demo is growing more than your life account, you just need to ask yourself, why is my demo growing more than then you get to point out how you feel when you're trading your demo. Now, when you have your demo account, any entry you see, once you have reasons to take that trade, you don't even hesitate. You go ahead and place, you click buy or you click sell. But now, if you have your live account, if you see your entry, you will be trying to verify. Should I enter now? No, this candlestick is pushing. Let me wait for that candlestick to retrace before I enter. Ah, the candlestick has retraced. So should I enter now? Hey, Jesus. And that is what you will do. The market will leave you. But if it's a demo account, you place your trades. So you just need to detach the emotional side of trading. Do you know what I said to my? I'm a human being too. So sometimes I may see a trade, I'll be like, okay, should I take this trade? The emotions will come in. That's why it's good for you to have your trading plan. You rehearse your trading plan every morning. This is what you need to do. And when my emotions is trying to like, influence my decision and the rest, do you know what I always say to myself? Anything that wants to happen will happen. Trading requires you doing what is emotionally painful to you. So, what is there? I'll place my trade. Anything that wants to happen will happen. If you are too careful and you are taking the wrong entries, you will carefully blow up your account. If you are not too careful and you're taking the wrong entries, you carelessly blow up your account. So you just need to learn how to stick to the right process. As you are learning my strategy, if you've not been using it, go ahead and backtest it so that you understand everything and know why I love trading with this particular strategy. You get the point, guys. So that is just it. That is it, guys. So thank you for joining, today. And thank you for always showing up because, guys, if you don't show up, I will literally be here talking to myself and it will be weird. So, thank you for showing up every Tuesday for us to like trade together. And I believe from my own end, I am also, you know, dishing out a lot, trying my own best to make sure everyone is making money with me, whether you are in my VIP group. Although, yes, my VIP members, they get special attention, but you guys are also special. So that's why I've also, brought out Tuesday to like for us to interact live here. So if you're just joining every Tuesday, 9 a.m. West African time, and make sure you are here. Make sure you are here. So I'll be dropping my link again. If you can't join the VIP group, the Telegram group, that's the public group is there, you can join there. And for the VIP group, it's also there. You can message me to make payment directly, or you can just make payment from the website. You can just make payments from the website and you will get access to the link and the rest. So that will be all for now, guys. Bye bye.